Not morning, it's noon 30. We're noon 30. We're at our first stop of the day, and it is another big waterfall we've wanted to see. We're absolutely on the East Coast, and so we are on the last leg of this ring road thing. Today is our first day of subpar weather, and I've been spoiled and I don't want to do anything because it's wet and cold outside. Which is really sad. It's been incredible, and it's not currently raining. So since it's not currently raining, we are gonna fucking get to getting. I'll slap a hoodie on and we're gonna go check out this waterfall. We're gonna go check out HVIII with my beautiful lady friend. Little morning activity as noon 30 is morning. And this is the first crummy day of weather we've had. We're due. And it's really our last day around the ring road, so Iceland's just making itself known enough. But this will be a little, I guess like a 6K total distance. Definitely a good incline today on this hike. I think total hike will be right around 4 miles, like 6K, something like that. She warms up fast when you walk straight uphill. Weird, I know that doesn't seem right. You know, it's like, I don't think you need to be fit to come to Iceland and do these trips. I think you need to be healthy. And to me, healthy should be able to say, healthy means you're capable of walking for the day. Like, you can do this at whatever pace, but it's not a race. So that's one of the reasons, like, we've kept our cardio up. Even Brant has started getting some more running in because it's a physical job. What he's doing, he is a fucking G for that camera, man. Running around carrying backpacks. Brant's a killer. And even you started adding running in. Walking, yeah, same thing.
On the treadmill a couple times a week.
I see you run. So that, to me, is one of the reasons to stay healthy and stay moving and stay giving a shit. Because I want to be able to say yes to good life experiences. That one's important to me. Oddly enough, with the weather being a little donkey today, this is basically what it's like being in Scotland. All the time. Makes me good on going to Scotland right now.
Easy.
Yeah, a few stone lefts. I don't know how heavy that is. That one's heavy. I would say that's comparison to the Judas. I'd say 250 to 3.
Come on. Come on.
Yep.
Sit back,
Yep.
sit,
Yep.
sit.
Yep. Pull it in. Sit. Ah. Yep. Oh, too easy.
Nice work.
Use your full back in a jerking, twisting motion.
That's the way I've read.
Got a crowd too.
Oh.
Let's go.
Yep.
Yep. Uh-huh.
So, as Bonnie's working on Icelandic lore for us, because I don't bother to stop and read signs, this big body of water we're next to is home of Iceland's most notorious?
Yes, most famous river monster, which is a giant 40 feet long. They've also seen it outside of the water, coiled up on the beach and like slithering away into the trees.
So is this the equivalent of like Loch Ness for?
Yes, that is mentioned in the Wikipedia where I'm getting all my information.
Got it.
Many humps type of lake monster, rather serpentine sort, for example, similar to the Loch Ness monster. So they're everywhere. Watch out.
They're gonna know. So we've wrapped our waterfall adventure, probably for the morning. I'm sure we're gonna find another.
Everywhere.
This place is endless with waterfalls. We're now gonna head back to Eggleston and go check out the Vok baths and do that for a bit, and then drive as far south